Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to install Wikipedia on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To install Wikipedia on Windows 11 computer, go to your Google Chrome browser and browse wikipedia.org, and on upper right corner, you will find a three dot icon to show more. Click on three dot icon, and then you will find here save and share. Under save and share, you will find an option install page as app. Click on install page as app. Here a pop-up window has been opened, and you will find here Wikipedia logo, and in the name box you will find the name Wikipedia. If you wish, you can change the name. I'm not going to change. Just click on install button here, and look, Wikipedia has been installed on my Windows 11 computer, and you will find a desktop icon Wikipedia, and a pop-up menu has been opened. Would you like to pin Wikipedia to your taskbar? Click on yes icon to pin Wikipedia on taskbar. Okay, now I'm going to close Wikipedia, and here you will find a Wikipedia icon on your taskbar and also on your desktop. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.